Hello, you're welcome to IDC Learning Center YouTube channel with Mr. Mark Okafor. Today, we will be looking at Jesuit Memorial College past examination questions and answers that will help you prepare for Loyola examinations 2022. To get started, let's look at the very first question. Question 1. Mr. Adebola makes an average income of 1,807 naira every month. I'm going to write this down. 1,807 naira every month. This is what he makes. His wife makes an average income of 936,005. 936,005. Okay? So this is a man's average income and this is for his wife. Now the question says, assuming that neither of them spends from the amount stated above, how much richer yearly is Mr. Adebola than his wife? Before we talk about yearly, we need to find out how much richer he is in a monthly basis. So I'm going to subtract the amount the wife makes from the amount he makes every month. 7 minus 5 will give me 2. Bring down 0 here. 8 minus 0 is 8. 0 minus 6, not possible. Borrow this 1, or let me say 1 from this 10. This will be 9. Put it here, 10. Borrow 1 from 10, put it here. This is 9, put the 1 here. 10 minus 6 will give me 4. 9 minus 3 will give me 6. Okay. Every month, Mr. Adebola makes 64,802 more than his wife. So he's 64,802 richer than his wife. But the question says, how much richer yearly? Okay, so since this is for a month, to get how much richer yearly, you multiply by 12, since 12 months make 1 year. 2 times 4 will give me 4. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 8 is 16. 6, you bring 1 here. 2 times 4 is 8 plus this one, 9. 2 times the last 6 will give me 12. I'm done with 2, we go to 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 4 is 4, and 1 times the last 6 is 6. Now let's sum this up. This will give me 4, 2, 6. 9 plus 8 is 17. 7 carry 1. 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. So the answer is 777,624. Question 2. The table below was completed using a statement of account that a bank sent to a certain customer. What is the value of X? In this table, this credit here, that's the amount they pay into your account. Debit, or the amount that enters your account, is credit. The amount that leaves your account is debit. To get X, this is your balance before this amount was paid into your account. So your previous balance, or the last balance here, which is 954,710 naira 0.50 kobo, plus the amount paid into your account, okay, which is 1,055,565.50. Sum them up, you get your new balance. 5 plus 5, 10, 0, bring 1 here. 5 plus the 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 5 plus 7 is 12. 2, bring 1 here. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 0, bring 1 here. 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 1, 11. 1, bring down 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 0, bring down 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the new amount that will be in the account will be 2,10,276 naira. Okay, let's look at question 3. A swimming pool containing 4,000 liters of water is 1/6 full. It means 1/6 equals 4,000 liters. Okay, how many liters of water must be added to make the pool half full? Okay, so let's look at that. Okay, like I said, if 1/16 equals 4,000 liters, to get the total amount of liters of water that will fill up this swimming pool, we have to flip because the denominator represents everything. So if you flip, we'll have 16/1 times 4,000. Okay, so let me split the board into 2 parts. 4,000 times 16 is giving 0, 0, 0. 6 times 4 is 24. 1 times 0, 0, 0, 0, 4. So I'm going to have 0, 0, 0, 4, 6. Okay, so the capacity of the swimming pool is 64,000 liters. How many liters of water must be added to make the pool half full? For the pool to be half full, we need to divide this full capacity by 2, which will give me 32,000 liters. So, if the swimming pool is has 32,000 liters in it, it will be half full. But then 4,000 liters of water is already there. So how many liters will be added to these 4,000 liters to make it 32,000 liters? You subtract the 4,000 from these liters, which represent half full. So this will give us 0, 0, 0. Pick one from 3, it will be 2, this will be 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. Bring down 2. So the answer is 28 liters. So 28 liters added to these 4,000 liters that is already there will give you 32 liters, which is half full. Question 4. The top surface of a circular dining table has a diameter of 98 centimeters. Calculate the surface area of a circular tablecloth that is just enough to cover it entirely. Area of a circle is pi radius squared. Radius was not given, but diameter was given. And diameter represents half of a diameter will give us radius. Since diameter is 98, 98 divided by 2 will give us radius. 9 divided by 2, 4 remainder 1, that's 49. To get the area, the pi is a mathematical constant that represents 22/7 times 49 times 49. Okay, 7 year 1, 7 year 7. So to get our answer, we need to multiply through 22 times 7 times 49. So 49 by 7. 9 times 7, 63. 3, bring down 6 here. 7 times 9, that's 28 plus 6, that's 34. Okay, hold on. 7 times 9, 3, 6. 7 times 4, 28 plus 3, 3, 3, 4, 3. Now multiply 3, 4, 3 by 22. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6. So the final answer will be 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. 4, bring 1 here. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 8, 15. 5, bring 1 here. 6 plus 1 is 7. So my answer will be 7,546 centimeter square. I hope that is clear. Okay, now let's go to the next question, question 5. Question 5 says, a sports club has 90 members. 50% of the members prefer football, so 50% prefers football. 20% prefers cricket, and the rest prefers basketball. Now, the first thing we need to do, let 90, which is the members, represent 100%. So if 70% prefers football and cricket, the rest prefer basketball. Basketball B, the percentage will be the whole, which is 100% minus 70%. It will give us 30% prefers basketball. So find the number of members who prefer basketball. It will be 30%, which is 30 over 100, times the whole, which is 90 over 1. 0 cancels 0. 0 cancels 0. 3 times 9, 27 prefers basketball. Question 6. A trader bought 60 packets of sugar for a shop. So the trader bought 60 packets of sugar. Okay, the total mass of sugar in the 60 packet, the total mass is 30 kg. While she was away, our little son carefully took out a cube of sugar from each packet. If the mass of a cube of sugar is 5 grams, a cube is 5 grams. What is the total mass of sugar left in the packet? To get the total mass of sugar left in the packet, we need to get the total mass of sugar the boy has removed from the packet first. Since he removed a cube of sugar from each packet, and we have 60 packets, that means the mass of he removed 60 cubes, which amounts to 5 grams, the mass of 1 cube, now times 60. Okay, 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 6 is 30. So the mass of the cubes he removed will give us 300 grams. Now let's find out the total mass of sugar left. Remember, 1,000 grams will give us 1 kilogram. So 30 kilogram times 1,000 will give us 30,000 grams. That's the total mass of sugar, total mass of the 60 packets. Now minus the 300 grams he removed. So the mass that will be left will be 0, 0, pick 1 here, this is 2, put it here, 10, borrow 1 here, 9, put it here, 10. 10 minus 3, 7, 9, 2. 29,700 grams. Or, divide this by 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 29.700 kg mass left. Okay, that's for question 6. Question 7. A porter rented a cat at the rate of 250 naira a day. He worked with it for 6 days and made a total income of 15,000. He made a total income of 15,000. He then paid the full rental fee of the cat. Remember, he rented the cat at the rate of 250 a day. The rental fee for the 6 days will be 250 times 6. 0, 6 times 5, 30, 0, bring 3 here. 6 times 2, 12, plus 3, 15. Okay, so this will be the rental fee. He then paid the full rental fee of the cat. What percentage of the total income will he have left? Okay, let's find how much will be left. If he made 15,000 and paid 1,500, to get what is left, we have to subtract 1,500 from this. 0, 0, pick 1 here, 4, put the 1 here, 10 minus 5 is 5, 4 minus 1 is 3. So what will be left will be, this is the income left, 13,500. The question says, what percentage of the income is left? So to get the percentage that is left, we have the income left, which is 13,500, over the total income, which is 15,000. times 100 over 1. 2 0 cancels 2 0. This 0 cancels this 0. What can go? 3 here, 5. 3 here, 4, remainder 1. Put it here. 15 divided by 3, 5. Right? Then this 0, bring it here, 450. 5 here, 1. 5 into 45. 9, bring down 0. So the answer will be 90%. Question 8. Mbodo-Aluu spent 3/5 of her holiday in Lagos. She spent 3/5 of her holiday in Lagos and the rest elsewhere. While in Lagos, she spent half of her time with her grandmother. So she spent half, 1/2 of her time, which is 3/5 with her grandmom. What fraction of the holiday did Mbodo-Aluu spend in Ikorodu? Half of this. Off means time. So 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 5 is 10. The answer is 3/10. Question 9. Abiodun plays football for 3/4 hours. So he plays football for 1 whole number, 3/4 hours. And watches television for 3/4 of an hour. Television, T, he watches for, will be 3/4 of an hour of 1. 3 times 1 is 3. It will also give me back 3/4. He then does his homework for 5/6 hours. Find the total amount of time Abiodun spent doing all the activities mentioned above. So it will be 3/4 plus television 3/4 and then homework, which is 5/6. Let's bring out the whole numbers. 1 plus 1 is 2. LCM of 4 and 6. 4 and 6 will give us 12. 12 divided by 4, the first fraction here, the denominator is 3. 3 times 3 here, okay? Use this 4 to divide this 12. 3 times 3, 9. I'm done with the first fraction plus the second fraction. Use the 4 to divide 12. 3 times 3, 9. I'm done plus this 6. 12 divided by 6, 2. 2 times 5 is 10. So I'll have 2 whole number. 9 plus 9 is 18 plus 10, 28/12. 28 can be divided by 12 2 times. So 2 plus 12 into 28, 2 remainder, 4/12. 4 here, 1, 4 here, 3. Final answer will be 2 plus 2, 4 whole number, 1/3. Okay, question 10. A 400-gram pizza contains, among other things, 12 grams of sugar, 36 grams of fat, 4 grams of salt, 48 grams of protein, and 140 grams of carbohydrate. What percentage of the pizza is protein? Protein is 48 grams. So it will give us 48 divided by the total mass of the pizza, which is 4,000 grams times 100/1. Gram cancel grams, 2 0 cancels 2 0. 4 here 1, 4 into 4 1, 4 into 8 2. So the answer will be 12%. Question 11. Kemi bought a stick of pin pop and a wrap of Tom Tom for a total of 20 naira. So let this P represent the pin pop plus the T for Tom Tom equals 20 naira. Later that same day, she bought 3 sticks of pin pop. So let this be 3P plus 7 wraps of Tom, 7T, for how much? 80 naira. How much would Kemi pay in total if she bought 2 sticks of pin pong only? I've already expressed this as an equation now. So let this be equation 1, let this be equation 2. From equation 1, make T the subject of the formula, or P. Okay, so let's make T. For T to be subject of the formula, we need to move P to meet 20. So P is positive. As it crosses this equals to sign, it changes to minus P. Now we have equation 3. Since I started from equation 1, we'll go to equation 2, and where we have T, we'll replace it with 20 minus P. It will give me 3P plus 7T. Instead of writing T, since T equals 20 minus P, I'll replace it with 20 minus P. equals 80. 3p plus 7 times 20 will give me 140. 7 times minus p will give me minus 7p equals 80. Okay, let's collect like terms. Here, 3p minus 7p plus 140 equals to 180. I just rearrange what we have here. 3p minus 7p will give me minus 4p. Now move plus 140 to the right to meet 180 equals 180. The plus here changes to minus 140. So minus 4p will give me 180 minus 140. That's 40. Okay? Divide both sides by minus 4. Divide this side by minus 4. Okay, this cancels out. Minus 4 into 40 will give me minus 10. Okay, so the question says, sorry, think I made a mistake with the minus. Okay. Let me just erase. Let me take this part again. All right, so we have 3p plus 140 minus 7p equals 80. Yeah, this is 80. I think that's where I made the mistake. All right, so rearranging, we have 3p minus 7p, okay, equals 80 here, plus 140 crosses over to this side will give me minus 140. Okay, I think I wrote 180 instead of 80. 3p minus 7p will give me minus 4p equals 80 minus 140. What will it give us? It will give us minus 60. Now, to get p, divide both sides by minus 4. Minus 4 cancels minus 4. Minus cancels minus. 60 divided by 4 is 15. So p equals 15. The question says, how much would Kemi pay in total if she bought 2 sticks of ping pong? Remember, p represents ping pong. The price of 1 ping pong is 15. 2 sticks, 2p will give us 2 times 15. And the final answer will be 30 naira. All right, so the next question, which is question 12. The question says, Mr. Johnson is 36 years older than his son. So if the son's age is X, Mr. John will be 36 plus X. His age is also 8 years more than thrice the age of David. So if David's age is 3X, 8 years more than thrice the age of David, that's this thrice the age of David, the father will be 8 plus 3x. So 36 plus x is the father's age, 8 plus 3x is the father's age. How old is David? Remember we said let David be x. So we can get David's age from his father's age. Okay, so let the father's age will be 36 plus x equals 8 plus 3x. Just derive or create an equation for the father's age. Collect like terms. 36, 8 moves to the left, we change to minus 8. We have 3x at the right. X moves to the right, we change to minus x. 36 minus 8 will give me 24. Sorry, give me 28, not 24. Okay, so this is 28. Equals 3x minus x will give me 2x. Divide both sides by 2, 2 cancels 2. 28 divided by 2 will give me 14. That's what x stands for. Remember, I said let the son's age be x. So David's age is 14. Okay, Let's take question 13. Find the HCF. Let the first term be 4 square, or okay, let me just expand. 4 times 4 times 6 times 7 times 7. Okay, so let the second be 4 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. What can go? 4 can go. 4 into this, I'll be left with 4, 6, 7, 7. 4 into this, I'll be left with 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. 4 can't go, but 7, because there's no 4 here, 7 can go. I'll be left with 4 times 6 times 7. 1 7 we go. Then 1 7 we go. I'll be left with 7 times 7 times 7. 3, 4, and 5. What can go? 7 can still go. This 7 cancels this 7 and cancels 1 7. Nothing else can go. So I'll have 4 times 7 times 7. 4 in index form is 2 raised to power 2 times 7 times 7 is 7 raised to power 2. In index form, this will be my answer. Question 14. The figure below is a plane shape made by placing a triangle on top of a rectangle. What is the sum of the angles in the figure? The sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees, don't forget. Sum of angles of a rectangle is 360 degrees. So the sum of the figure now will be, angles in the figure will be 0. 8 plus 6 is 14. 4 carry 1. This will be 540 degrees. Question 15. The second of 3 consecutive even numbers is b. This is the second. So what is the sum of the 3 numbers? Let the first be b minus 2 plus, then the last will be b plus 2. So this is the first, the middle, and the last. Rearrange this, we have b plus b plus b plus 2 minus 2. Just let the b's be together, minus 2, bring it to the extreme end. Plus 2 minus 2 will give me 0. B plus b plus b will give me 3b, and that's the answer. Alright, question 16. 3 electric bulbs are used to make a flashing game. Bulb A flashes every 15 seconds. Bulb B flashes every 48 seconds, and bulb C flashes every 55 seconds. If the game is started now, how long will it take before all 3 bulbs flash at the same time? Leave your answer in minutes. This is easy. All you need to do is just to look for the lowest common factor of everything, LCM. LCM of 15, 48, and 55. Remember, the numbers are in seconds, but this is what you do for questions like this. 2 can go, 2 here 15, 24, 55. 2 can still go, 2 here 15, 12, 55. 2, 15, 6, 55. 2, 15, 3, 55. 3, 5, 1, 55. 5, 1, 1, 55. No, sorry, 1, 1, 11. Then 11 is the last one, 1, 1, 1, that's all. 3 here, 5, 1, 55, 5, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so the LCM would be, let's bring out the divisors, which will give me 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 11. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. Now 16 times 3, 3 times 6 is 18, 8 bring 1 here, that's 48. Remember, 5 times 11 is 55, so my answer will be 48 times 55. 5 times 8, 40, 0 carry 4. 5 times 4, 20 plus 4, 24. 5 times 8, 40, 0 carry 4. 5 times 4, 20 plus 4, 24. My answer will be 0, 4, 6, 2, 2,640 seconds. The instruction says, leave your answer in minutes. To get my final answer, I'll change 264 seconds to minutes by dividing by 60. 0 cancels 0. 6 into 26 is 4. Remainder 2. 6 into 24 is 4. 44 minutes will be my final answer. Okay, that's for question 16. For question 17. Kamsi knows 3 times as many jokes as Oscar. If Oscar knows X jokes, Kamsi knows 3 times X, 3X. The two boys know 72 jokes together. That's Kamsi 3X plus Oscar X equals 72 jokes. How many jokes does Kamsi knows, which is 3X? Let's solve for X. 3X plus X will give me 4X equals 72. To get the value of X, divide both sides by 4. 4 cancels 4. 4 here 1, 4 into 7, 1 remainder 3. 4 into 32 will give me 8. Right? This X equals to 8. That means Oscar knows 18 jokes. So Kamsi knows 3X. Kamsi's jokes will be 18 times 3. Because it's 3X. 3 times 8, 24. 4 carry 2. 3 times 1, 3 plus 2, 5. The answer will be 54 jokes for Kamsi. Question 18. One packet of biscuits requires one whole number, 3/4 cups of flour and 2.5 cups of sugar. How many cups of flour are required for 250? Just multiply 1/3/4 times 250. 4 times 1, 4 plus 3, 7/4 times 250. Okay, 4 here 1, 4 into 25, 6. Okay, oh, hold on. Let me multiply direct. Is 7/4 times 25. Okay, I just cross-checked this question again. The packet of biscuits requires one whole number, 3/2 cups, not one whole number, 3/4. So I'm going to take this part again. One packet of biscuits, let B stands for biscuit, equals 1/3/2. 250 packets of biscuits, you multiply by 250. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 3. 5/2 times 250/1. 2 here 1, 2 here 1, remain, okay, sorry, yes, 1. 2 into 5, 2, remainder 1. 2 into 10, 5. So our answer will be 125 times 5. 5 times 5, 25. 5 bring 2 here. 5 times 2, 10 plus 2, 12. 2 bring 1 here. 5 times 1, 5 plus 1, 625 biscuit flour. So this is flour. Okay, question 19. Find the value of X. All right, this is very easy. All you need to do is to get rid of this square. To do that, we have to square both sides. This square root and square cancels out. X equals, the square root of 256 is 16. That's our answer. Question 20. Find the value of X here. 25 squared means 25 times 25, plus 7 cubed means 7 times 7 times 7 equals X plus 144. Okay, so 25 times 25. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 bring 2 here. 5 times 2, 10 plus 2, 12. 2 times 5, 10, 0, bring 1 here. 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5, okay? So 25 times 25 will give us 625. Plus, let's also multiply this. 7 times 7 is 49. 49 times the last 7, 9 times 7, 63, 3 brings 6 here. 7 times 4 is 28. 28 plus 6, 34. So we have 343 equals x plus 144. Okay, now we need to sum these two together. 625 plus 343 will give me 869. What we have here, 968 equals x plus 144. To get the value of x, collect like 10, move 144 to the right. We will have 968 minus 144. It will give us x. So let's do that. 968 minus 144. 8 minus 4 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. 9 minus 1 is 8. So our answer is 824. Okay, let's look at question 21. Question 21. This question says, an overhead water storage tank. An overhead water storage tank is 5 meters long, 4 meters wide, and 2 meters high. If 30 meter cube of water is poured into it, the volume of water poured into it is 30 meter cube. How high will the water level be? Divide the volume. Okay, the formula to use is this. Volume divided by base area. We already know that the volume is 30 meter cube. So divide this by the base area. The area is 5 meters times 4 meters. That's long times wide. 5 times 4, that's 20. So it will give me 30 divided by 20. 0 cancels 0 is 2 into 3. 1 remainder 1 over 2, or 1.5 meters high. Okay, question 22. Obinna is 1.5 meters tall. His brother Nwachukwu is 0.85 meters taller. So if Obinna O is 1.5 meters tall, Nwachukwu N will be 1.5 plus 0.85 tall, because they said he's 0.85 taller. So this will be 5. 8 plus 5 is 13. 3, bring 1 here. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2.35 meters tall. The question says, the height of their sister Adobe is half the sum of their height. So let's sum of their height first. Obinna is 1.5. His brother is 2.35. This will give me 58.3. Now, Adobe is half the sum of the heights of the two boys. How tall is Adobe? Leave your answer in meters and 3 decimal places. So half of this, you divide 385. Let's ignore the decimal for now. We'll put it once you are done dividing. Divide by 2. 2 here, 1. 2 here. Take away 1. Bring down 8. 18 divided by 2, 9. 9. 2 times 9, 18. Take away is 0. Bring down the last 5. 2 into 5, 2. 2 times 2, 4. Take away 1. Put your point 0. 2 into 10, 5. That's all. So we have 192.5. But we already have 2 decimal here before we start dividing, which I said we should ignore. So from here we come backward 1, 2. Final answer will be 1.925. Okay, question 23. 1,100 candidates are expected to write the 2020 entrance examination into Jesuit Memorial College. If all the candidates were to write the examination inside the school's classrooms, what is the minimum number of classrooms the school should have? Assume that a classroom in the school can hold a maximum of 18 candidates. To get the number of classrooms they should have, just divide 1,100 by 18. 2 here 9. 2 here 5. Remainder 1. 2 here 5 0. How many times can 9 go into 55? That's 6 times. because 6 times 9 is 54, remainder 1. So 9 into 10, 1, remainder 1. Okay, so this student that is left can't be left that way. So there must be a classroom for this person. So the answer will be 61 plus extra 1 classroom. 62 classrooms will be the final answer. Question 24. Onyinye has a flask that can hold 2.4 liters of water and a cup that can hold 480 centimeter cube of water. How many cupfuls of water can the flask hold? You divide 2.4 liters by 480 centimeter cube. As you can see, the units are not the same. So I need to change 2.4 liters to centimeters. So centimeter cube by multiplying by 1000 times 1000. So 2.4. Just count 3 places since 1000 has 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. So my answer will be 2400. This is now in centimeter cube divided by 480 centimeter cube. Centimeter cube cancels centimeter cube. 0 cancels 0. 2 here 24. 2 here 120. 2 here 60. 2 here 12. 60 divided by 12. 5 cupfuls. Okay, let's take the last question for today. The average height of a family of 5 persons is 150. So their full height you multiply by 5. Since the average height of 5 of them is this, their full height will be 150 times 5. 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 5, 25. 5 carry 2. 5 times 1, 5 plus 2, 750 centimeters. 4 of them, their heights are 150, 151, 152, and 153. Let's sum this up for 4 of them. We have 356. 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 20, 0 carry 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 606. Alright, to get the height of the 5th person, you subtract 606 from the total height. Total height is 750 minus 606. 0, borrow 1 from here, put it here. 15 minus 6, 9. So the height of the last person is 90 centimeters. Thank you very much for staying with me. I'm sure you must have learned 1 or 2 things. At least with these questions, you have in mind the kind of questions you are to expect for those of you preparing for Jesuit Memorial College examination and even Loyola, the one in Abuja. Okay, so I wish you the very best, and I hope and solicit for you to please share this video so that others can benefit as well. For now, I'm going to say bye.